Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Entertainment. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. So हमारे फार्म पे मेहमान आए हुए हैं आउट ऑफ इंडिया से. Are you from?
UK.
UK.
And Stephanie from USA.
USA. Yes.
And we live in Tennessee.
Yes.
Tennessee.
This video is my YouTube channel's
Yeah.
purpose. Yes. Barkat Bhai Goat Farm.
We also have YouTube.
Yes.
We have.
Yo.
Let me give you a
Stefan Peach.
अच्छा स्टेफन जी.
Do you have another?
What time is it, Pete?
It's go time.
No, what time is it?
Oh.
How many ice creams do you think Pace has had?
सर्दी में आइसक्रीम के मज़े ले रहे हैं.
10-minute ride
सो मैं बात तो उतनी नहीं कर पाऊँगा क्योंकि मेरे को भी इतनी इंग्लिश नहीं आती है. बट ये वीडियो इंशाल्लाह बनाऊँगा मैं. कैसे क्या बकरे इनको लगे वो भी पूछूँगा. सो चलते हैं.
Which one's the biggest goat?
ब्लैक सॉल्ट.
Black sword.
Wow.
Where's Haley? So nice.
फीमेल्स गोट्स.
Keep on that one.
सोजत ब्रीड्स. द ब्रीड्स ऑफ सोजत.
Sojet.
सोजत
Amazing,
ब्रीड.
look at the
यस.
babies. Little babies?
सो बकरे देख रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं माशाल्लाह. काफ़ी अच्छा लगा इनको भी बकरे देख के.
So they lick.
यस ब्लैक सॉल्ट.
Where's this from?
यस.
Where? From here or where? It comes from in India.
इंडिया.
Yeah.
इंडिया.
Also same salt.
सेंधा सॉल्ट. यस.
Marking, right?
सिरोही ब्रीड्स. रेड सिरोही ब्रीड्स.
Zero.
सिरोही.
Zero.
तोतापुरी.
And then they also roaming around.
Not.
No.
Yes.
Just stay here.
Just
Stay here.
stay.
Best goat.
This best goat.
Best
Yes, best goat.
goat. Best goat.
Why are you your best goat?
Best goat.
Best goat.
सोजत टू हैदराबादी क्रॉस.
So this one. Your best.
Yes.
Best goat. Favorite goat.
Long years.
Has a name? Name?
Not name.
No name. No name.
No name.
Goats. No name.
No.
Only goat.
Only goat.
Yes.
Very nice.
This is 100 kg. 100 kg.
How old?
130.
13. 13. 13 years.
30 years. 30 years. 30 years.
13 years.
Abhi 3 years.
3 years.
3 years.
What's that?
This is a female case.
Female kid.
Female case.
Stephanie, can you come and hold this goat? I guess still this is the village report.
I'm not ready for Go YouTube. You guys, this is a
Come to my home.
बहुत खुश नसीब
How did the feel?
How do we feel?
Yes.
Oh, this is great.
Great.
It's, yeah, it's very
Thank
nice.
you, thank you.
Really nice to come to a to meet Barkat.
Barkat. Yes,
Our good friend of Asim.
Yes,
Sheikh.
Asim Sheikh's friends.
So it's very nice for him to invite us to his
Yes, yes.
to his home and to see his family and his and the farm, and looking forward to maybe seeing more goats.
Yeah.
Ji.
So
Thank you, thank you.
This is my son wife.
what does it sound like?
do you want to hold it?
Wife lot.
You plan to have more goats?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now you said 200? 200 goats?
Yes,
200?
yes, 200
Maybe
goats.
get more goats?
Yes, yes,
300, 400?
400.
400. 1000.
1,000?
Mm, First time, only 5 got.
And just build
Yes,
steady, gradually.
5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20, 100, 100 to 1000.
and 1 year sold out to 300 goats.
Really?
Yes.
Goat sell wet.
Oh, really? Like
Goat
a
wet.
scale.
Yes.
400 kg. 1 kg.
Okay.
400.
And this is the feed? This machine, I think.
Clean,
Clean?
clean. Feed clean, clean.
Feed clean. And what is this?
Green patti.
So they eat this and this.
Yes.
Mix?
Mix.
2 times.
2 time.
Morning,
morning.
morning and
4 o'clock
4
4 o'clock evening.
evening.
Time lapse, so I decided to come and take the camera.
Do I have to make a goat cam graphic now?
We got a new member of the cast, you know? This is amazing. Hey, if you're in the area, find yourself near Joppo, come check out this bird park because it's fascinating.
What's it called?
It's called Barak. They're on YouTube.
Yes, yes. Instagram, YouTube's.
Dueling
All about.
YouTube.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Beautiful.
I need to follow Barkat by Goat Farm.
Yeah. Also on Instagram as well.
Yes, yes.
Hey, do you wanna do his cam inside?
You gotta narrate it. Okay, tell everybody what's happening.
Yeah, well, you gotta go over it. Sure.
पकड़ भाई Finish.
Okay.
Rotalia. Okay, Bilal.
Thank you.
Totally.
very hot.
Yeah. But nice.
Very good.
Mmm. Very tasty. Your goat? Your goat?
My God.
Mmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, Bilal.
This egg.
Egg.
Hazy, you want some? You want some bread? Delicious. Wow.
You like that
Egg is
one?
very tasty. Yeah. You want to try some goat? No.
My guest, my family lucky.
Thank you.
Very well.
Very nice hospitality.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah.
No, I fine.
Hey, just don't put it on the ground. Just eat it. Thank you.
You want chip? You want some bread, Hazy? Huh? Very tasty. Hazy, you want some bread, honey? Huh? No?
Want to try this one? It's sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah, this one very.
Sweet.
Oh, you like this? Okay.
Many new foods.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Play, get ice cream, go.
How about we come back again? Come again.
Come again.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can we come again?
Come again.
Yeah. How about you can say, come to my house in America?
Yes, sure.
Come to America?
Yes.
Yeah?
No.
You can have them come to your house.
Say thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Not this card, the next card.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
I am going to the Chandelao.
Chandela.
Chandelao.
Bye. Huh?